To crop image in Photoshop, simply drag the picture as you can see. Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I want to show you how to crop image on Photoshop. Simply as you can see here, go to the left pane and select the crop tool. Okay, now you can select the border of this picture, this image. That's it. Then slide to right. Okay, also the right border, slide to left. Also you can do the same thing in the top and bottom. When you finish, click here. Okay, that's it. As you can see, now we have a cropped image. We can export or save as JPEG picture. Okay, new cropped image. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.